For today's tutorial is how to set up your power LED. Over here I have a full color power LED. It is a 54 LED bulb. Over here we have a BMX cable for the signal which where we connect to our controller. Over here we have a display which is the module. You can see here that we have four buttons, which is the menu, the up button, down button, and enter. Now we see here with A.001. This A, or sometimes it's D, some fixture it has a D, which is the same one, which is the same for this is for when we want to control the lights to our controller. Next, we have the R, which is the color red of this fixture or I mean, well, this every lights we call it fixtures, or yeah, we call it fixture. The R is red, and the and the G is the green color, which is this green. And the B is the blue. By the way, this is RGB. There's no white. When there's a fixture with that has a white color, it must be O. This must be O. Yes, it's not the blue, but O. That's white. This with FH, which is the shutter of the fixture. If you want to use this, we need to open some colors. The CL is like a preset. It has the preset color of this fixture. The CC is a change color, but it is fast. It is fast. Body is the same, but the change color is smooth. Yes, look, it's smooth. The CP is like it's just change color, but it will dim a little bit to change color. This SO is for sound. It will follow the beat of the music. See, this is what I'm talking about earlier. That's D, but it is more important to use A because it's so easy. And yeah, it's easy. Earlier I said with only three colors: the red, green, and blue. So let's try to open the red. We go to the R, which is the red, and we make it. We need to open it. We need to make the percent to 55. Mostly the max percent is to 55, not 100. It is to 55. There. That is the red. And this is the green. This is the blue. If you want to if you want to make a color orange, pink, violet, white, we need to mix those color. Yes, we need to mix the color. I will live by my I thought my I'll show you my formula on how am I mixing some colors. So let's try pink. Yes. Let's make the blue only 50%, 50. There 50, and we need to add red. Make it 200. This enter is very important when you're done making color. So it will save what you have just done. See, it is now pink. In lighting, it is more important to know how to mix colors. It's just easy. Need only you need to know how to mix some colors. Yes, that is my number one tip for you. You need to know how to mix colors. Okay, now if you want to make an orange, the orange is red and green. Let's try orange. Just add a green color and red. So if we have the red. Now we add some green. Just make it the same, 50%. The blue, we remove the blue. Now here, it is now orange. If you want to make a color white, just open all of the three colors. The blue must be 100%. For this is just for me. The red, we make the red 200. The green is 200. Here, we have white. This is white. That's why this is when you know how to mix colors. This is very easy for you. Earlier, I talked about you need to enter when you're done making making change over it, so it will save. So we just press enter until we can see there's something it says sauce. I don't know. It means it's saved. Oh, it says save. Oh, okay. It's saved. Now if you remove the power and plug it again, what we have is it's saved. Now let's try if we didn't press the enter button. Example like that. Then we forget to press enter. Then we turn off, then cut the power and put it back in. It didn't save. So that's why it's very important to enter after you're done setting this. So again, this is the R is red, the G is green, the B is blue, the FH is the shutter, the strobe. See, strobe. CL is the preset, color preset for, and CC for fast change color, DE for smooth change color, CP is like it has a dim changing color. SO is for music. See, it follows the beat. D is for the for if we want to control the light on our controller. They are just the same, D or A. So my tip for you, when you set up your power lead, there are two handles. One is flattened and the other one, it has a bump. See, it has a bump. There, a bump. The bump is always facing like this, down the bottom, because if we stand it up, if we put it like upright like putting on the decoration on something, props like that. I'll just there. It won't wiggle much. It's steady, very steady. Well, this brand is Zeus. It's Zeus stage lighting effects, but they're the same on any power LED. The red, the RGB, which is red, green, blue. Yes, but but here the most importantly is you need to know how to mix colors. Yes, that's so important on this lighting. It's just very basic, basic. I'm sorry, my I know my English is not that good because I'm a Filipino, by the way. So yeah, I apologize for that. My channel is just new. I'm making some basic tutorials on everyday lighting. Sometimes I sounds, yes, I give tips, tricks, just for basics for beginners. So that's how you you set up your power LED. If you if something on this video you didn't understand, you can just comment down below and uh I will just comment down below if you're something you don't understand on here, and I will just repeat. Yes, so thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you subscribe my channel because I'm just new. I'm a new YouTuber. Yes, and thank you. Bye. See you on my next vid, which is how to program DMX 512. Wait, I'll show you this. How you I have already video on how to use this and how to program, but I'll show you how to program this right here. Just pretty basic. I will teach you. It's not very complicated. Very easy. It's very easy to understand. So see you there, and yes, bye. Thank you.